Yaginina owatshela inkantolo ukuthi uwe owenza ke lesa statement noma owabhalisa le statement esikhona kulesikhangiso sesibili.
Do you follow?
Uyazwisisa yini mama?
Owa.
Ummeli uthi ngokuya ngenkulumo kaMnumzana uBrigadier Ginina. uBrigadier Ginina uye owatshela inkosi yenkantolo noma watshela inkantolo lokho kulandela umbiko olandelayo ukuthi istatement lesesibili uze nomazisi wakho. Ayikho banana umazisi. Statement lesibili. Watshela inkantolo ukuthi uwe owasibhala.
It is that statement that we have been reading throughout.
Ilesi edosifunda esikhona ngaphansi kwemibukiso kaYuyu.
No, not him. I have been reading to him and him confirming that he does not know that statement.
Uthi ummeli akusi statement esifuna kusifunda. Kepha ilesi yana kade asifunda ummeli bese wathi wena awukazi sensitive statement leso.
Do you follow?
Yes.
Uyazwa manje?
Yeah.
Do you follow?
Now, simple. The crux of this is as follows. Brigadier Ginina said you signed this statement in his presence. In other words, you appended your signature on this statement. Do you follow?
Yeah.
Uthi ummeli into iphuzu afuna ukuliveza. Lithi umnumzana uBrigadier Ginina uthi wena owasayina kule statement sitwafaka usignature wakho istatement lesi ekhona ngesikhathi busayina le statement.
Yes.
I'm listening.
Yes. We're requesting Mr. Makaza, our system operator, just to enlarge the signature. Do you see that signature there? The one that I'm beaming, that is appearing on the left side of the page of the statement.
Yeah, ngiyabona.
Abasayile khona yabona yini umnumzana?
Ngiyabona.
Thank
Yes,
you.
I do see that.
Do you know whose signature is that one?
Ngabe unalo ulwazi ole signature khona ngale ukusayindile ukuthi
I'm not.
no I don't.
Thank you. I'm going to request Mr. Makaza that we go to the next page of the statement. Yes. And I'm going to request Mr. Makaza to also beam that signature there. Also on the left-hand side of that page, there's a signature there, the one that I'm now beaming. Do you know whose signature is that one?
I still am.
That is not my signature.
Thank you. Let's go to the last page of the statement, of the document. Can you please beam it again, Mr. Makaza? Yes. Now I'm also beaming a signature there. Remember that signature is the one that Brigadier Ginina said after you have told him what he wrote in the statement, you then signed this document as an indication of you agreeing that what you told him is true.
Ummeli baba uthi ne umnumzana uBrigadier Ginina watshela inkantolo ukuthi ngemuva kokuthi umtshele wonke umbiko noma statement inkulumo yakhe ibhalwe ngaphakathi kwestatement egcinini noma kwekhasi lokugcina kukhona la kusayindwe khona ke isignature yomuntu. Bathi uBrigadier Ginina washo ukuthi wena owasayinda lapha ya ummeli aveze khona
Now
manje.
Brigadier Ginina was referring to this signature.
I'm sorry.
Once again, do you know whose signature is that one?
Angisayini kanjani.
That is not my signature and that is not
See,
how I attach my signature.
Thank you. So Makaza, can we please go to the document that he identified as his Dompas, not Dompas, man. As his identity document, yes. Can you please beam it, enlarge it? Thank you. Now, we go into the document that you identified as your ID card. There's a signature there. Do you recognize whose signature is this?
Manje basukhuluma ke ngomazisi wakho ne. Wena uthize uthe umazisi wakho angithi lo. Manje umbuzo ummeli awubuzayo. Kunomuntu osayindile lapha yani. Le signature khona ngala ngabe yakho yini?
Yebo.
Yes.
Yebo.
Yes.
That is your signature.
Wena osayindile lapha yani signature yakho.
Thank you.
Yes, that is my signature.
Now, you also said that 2025 you went to Newcastle police station where you met TikTok people, and after doing whatever that you did with them, then they requested you to get into the police station for you to go and just make a statement as to explain what is it that you were doing with them. Do you still remember that?
Uthi ummeli wena-ke ushilo ukuthi ngomnyaka ka-2025 noma kuwona lo mnyaka esukuwona ka-2025 wahamba ulibangise ubheki noma uhamba usiya eNewcastle kusikhumulo samaphoyisa sakhona futhi ngesikhathi boya lapha bohlangana-ke nabantu baka-TikTok bese mqhudo hlangana nabo bathi wena kuzomela ukuthi uqale uye epolice station uyobhala-ke statement mayelana nombiko noma banodaba kade ufisa ukwabikela lona. Yakhumbula usho leyo nkulumo leyo baba?
Yebo noma isho kodwa ithi inkulumo
Yes,
eyenza ubufakazi, angenza ubufakazi ukuthi yini kade siyenza la. Ikho-ke lokho ukubhale engikwaziyo.
Yes, I do hear you. However, it reads as follows. It has to read as follows. I went there to make evidence about what I hear today.
Yes. Mr. Makaza, can you please revert back to this document in its original form? Can you minimize it? Thank you. Now, the signature on the document that I've indicated to the court that you are going to request that it be handed in as an exhibit, but we're still trying to identify what number should we give that document because the exhibit numbers have already skipped me. There's a signature there on that document. This signature, are you able to recognize this signature on the document, which is a statement that you made after interacting with the TikTok people at Newcastle to identify the signature?
Uthi ummeli ngemuva kokuthi uhlangane nabantu baka-TikTok eNewcastle khona ke document la awasayina kulona. Angithi baba? Manje ngesikhathi kade usayina ke khona document elikhona la phambi kwenkantolo kepha basangakalimikisi enkantolo ngoba kumele iqola athuleke inombolo noma liqapha kwenombolo ngokuya kumibukiso. Yezwa ke baba? Manje khona ke signature khona le document le. The signature le ekhona ke document ngabe uyayazi yini?
Le.
This one, where is indicated signature of a deponent?
Yebo.
Whose
Yes.
signature is that one?
Ngobani osayinile lapha baba?
Sayineni.
I'm the one who signed.
Go to the next one. How many pages are there? You only loaded 2 pages. Okay, no, thank you. Now, what would you say about this signature that you made on the 8th of July 2025 there at Newcastle when you were explaining to the police about your interaction with the people at TikTok and the signature that is appearing on what you are identifying as your ID card?
Ummeli manje ufuna ukuza ukuthi ungaphawula uthini ke mnomzana noma baba uma ubuka ke lama signature amabili ne isignature lokuqala ileli elikhona kumazisi wakho ne bese ke isignature lesibili elikhona ke baba yileli elingale kule document wena kwalisayinda ngesikhathi kade uhlangane nabantu baka TikTok eNewcastle. Yini ngathanda ukukhuluma lama signature amabili?
Hayi ama-signature yini ngisayine lapha noma ngane mahluko ukuthi la ihleli phansi elayinini kodwa yini.
Both of those signatures, they are mine. I'm the one who signed there. Even though on the second document, that signature, it is not attached nor signed right on top of the line.
Thank you. So you are then saying the document that you signed on the 8th of July 2025 at Newcastle, and the signature that is appearing on your identity card, identity document card, those are your signatures.
Ummeli uthi uyasho ngabe uyavuma yini ukuthi i-signature khona kule document la kusayinwa khona ngelanga lange-8 ngenyanga kaJuly ngomnyaka ka-2025 document leli owalisayina ngesikhathi uhlangane nabantu baka-TikTok esikhumuleni sezesiphoyisa sase-Newcastle futhi ne-signature ke khona kumazisi wakho omabili ama-signature wakho.
Wow.
Yes, both of those signatures, they are mine.
Thank you. Let's go back to the other statement. Yeah. Yes. I don't see that signature. Oh, there it is. Can you please enlarge it a bit? Yeah, thank you. So you are saying this that we see as a signature on the statement that was made by Brigadier Kininda, you're saying that is not your signature.
Ummeli ke into ofuna ukuqonda ke baba uthi ummeli ngabe uyasho yini ukuthi le signature khona kule statement umnumzana Brigadier Kininda athi wena ke obamupha sona akuyona i-signature yakho?
Akusiyo vese yami nansi ya.
Yes, that is not my signature. However, my signature it is on this other document, not on that statement.
Thank you. Are you able to decipher what is written on the document that was presented by Brigadier Kininda there, on that signature?
Ummeli uyabuza ukuthi ngabe uyakhona yini ukufunda ke le nto ebhaliwe lesa statement manana nala signature khona kwi-statement lesi esalethwa umnumzana uDilinda la enkantolo.
Ukuyifunda. Ngiyayibona ukuyifunda. U-A lo noma ubani. Absalom. Balwe igama.
I think it's written a name, Absalom. I think there is A and then Absalom.
And this is how you do your signature. You write your name Absalom.
Ingabe yona ndlela ojwayele ukusayina ngayo na baba?
Sayi nansi yami.
No, that is not how I usually attach my signature.
Thank you.
My signature is on the second document, as the witness has pointed out.
Thank you. Mr. Zungu, I'm going to say this based on what you've just said now, based on what we've just identified now. Is this then an indication that your signature on the document that was prepared by Brigadier Kininda was forged? Because you are saying that is not your signature.
As a court case, my lord, I think that's a leading question.
It's leading, eh?
It's it's up to counsel to argue that point, but he cannot, with respect, my lord, put that to a witness.
As it is the court, my lord, let me rephrase the question. Let me rephrase the question. Now, on the basis of the fact that you are saying the signature that is appearing on the document that was prepared by Brigadier Kininda, it's not your signature and is different from the signatures that you have identified initially. What is your comment?
As a court, please, once again, counsel is suggesting that the signatures are different. I don't know on what basis he's saying that.
Okay.
I think it's a matter for argument. We will, just on the face of it, argue differently.
And it is the court, madam. Thank you. The two signatures that are appearing on the two signatures that you are saying, the other one, that one you said is your signature, and the other one that you are saying it is not your signature, are they the same?
Ummeli babuyabuza ne kulama signature amabili eyoqala ushilo wathi signature yakho noma wena umuntu osayindile ne kepha kule yesibili wathi akuyona akwena umuntu osayindile manje ummeli into afuna ukuqonda ngabe mhlawumbe zijangakala njengendlela efanayo mhlawumbe noma zibukana zibonakala ngendlela efanayo yini?
Azifanani.
No, they are not the same.
Umbhalo lo kubhaliwe lo kwaprintwa lapha. Kusayiniwe la.
Manake baba, ngicela usho uqala ngamazisi wakho bayenzeni kuyona.
Kusayiniwe.
On the ID smart card document, it is a signature, and then place statement yini ke?
Kubhaliwe lapha. Kusayiniwe. Kubhalwe nje igama.
Then on the statement, they only wrote a name that is not a signature.
Thank you. So then on my question is that are they the same? What is your answer?
Umbuzo umeli kade ubuzile bekabuza ukuthi ngabe le signature lezi ziyafana yini noma cha ayifani.
Ayifani.
No, they are not the same.
On the basis that you are saying they are not the same. And I know we are not a specialist, Bariking. We are not a handwriting specialist, but if you know your signature, you know it. Nobody can deny that.
Izathu zakho ke baba ezikwenza noma ezenza ukuthi wena ke usho ukuthi ama signature amabili awafani. Ngabe yiziphi ke? Futhi umeli uyazi usho ukuthi uyazi ukuthi na uyena ke uchwepheshe kwezemibhalo. Noma uzokubhala ama signature, noma uzokusayina ama signature.
Now on the basis of the fact that you are saying they are not the same, do you have any comment?
Ngabe khona ke into ongathanda ukuthi uyiphawule nanoma bosowushilo ukuthi lama signature amabili awafani.
Mhlambe into engazi enisese mangabe ninenkinga uba ngithi lapha kubhalwe nje. Ngama
Mana baba ngicela kancane. Kumele ngazi ukuthi uyenzani manje. Akalalele.
Thank you.
Ngicela ukukhuluma ke baba.
I'm sorry. My colleagues were drawing my attention to me. Yeah.
Uyaxolisa kumele uthi ke abuza
I'm sorry about that. I did not get your answer. I'm sorry. My apologies. I should always be concentrating.
You should apologize to the court.
I'm sorry, my lord.
You should
I
apologize to the court.
Yes, I apologize
Yeah.
to the court, my lord.
You know what? Today I brought this thing. Code of conduct for all legal practitioners, candidates, legal practitioners, and juristic entities.
Yes.
And this has been gazetted, the Government Gazette 168 of 2019.
Yes.
As the South African Legal Practice Council, the Code of Conduct made under the authority of Section 36(1) of the Legal Practice Act 28 of 2014. Okay, that's why I'm able to say, if you want to see it, what you are doing is not correct. You ask a person a question, and thereafter you speak to Mr. Ramusipedi, and this fool of a judge sits. Okay? Yeah.
No, I was not asking Mr. Ramsipili a question, but he just
Yeah, but
brought my
you were talking to
attention
Mr.
something.
Ramusipedi. That wasn't he talking to you? You were talking to me. Never asked whether you should strike something with him. That's how I am treated as a black judge.
No, my lord, no.
Yeah. And then I say this.
Not
"Hayi,
factor in race,
uthanda
my lord."
belungu."
No.
Okay,
my-
fine.
No. I think the court is wrong in factoring a race, my lord.
Yeah,
Mistakes
fine.
do
Can you go-
happen.
can you go on?
Whether you are a white person, whether you are a black person, mistakes do happen.
Yes, fine. Go
It
on.
does not mean that that which has happened now is because this court is black. And I've never seen a court that is black or a court that is white. I only see a court. That's what I see, my lord. I don't see color. I've passed that stage long time ago. Thank you. But as I said, my lord, I apologize profusely. I did not intend to offend anything or anyone. It is just the nature of the trial itself, my lord. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Your comment, I said, on the basis of the fact that you are saying these two signatures are not the same. What can your comment therefore be? Or what is your comment?
Umeli ke baba ucela ukubuza ukuthi ungaphawula uthini mayelana nenkulumo yakho soyishilo ethi lama signature amabili awafani le signature khona kumazisi wakho iyona isignature kweqiniso Kepha ngale kule statement kubaba ubrigadier yakhe nizosatha la enkantolo wena ke ukhulumile washo wathi akuyona isignature kubhalwe igama laphaya. Manje kungaphawula uthini ukuthi ngoba lama signature amabili engafani.
Ngaphawula ngithini?
Yebo baba. Kumele ufuna nje ukuthi ngabe uyakho
Shuthi phela kwenziwe ezinye indlela zokusayina ezibugebengu ngabe kanjalo. Ma ungafana ama-signature. Shuthi obengafani nje ama-signature. Kunendlela ekhona yokungenzela ubhale esikhundleni sokuthi kubhale mina into right wena ufike ubhale wena ubhale into wrong. Uthi wena uzama ukuthi ufanisa nale.
mana ke baba lama ukhulume umpisikhathi utshenge untolele enkantolo uthi uyithini impendulo yakho.
Yebo.
My lord, I would say that now that these signatures, they are not the same, it means that something or someone did something which is not common or usual. They wrote what they had written there. It's more like if I say something or I write something, however, I don't attach a signature immediately, and then the second person will come and attach a signature. It's more like that.
There's a word, ubugebengu, that Mr. Zongo mentioned, yes.
There's a word of ubugebengu that the witness made mention of, that means corruption.
What did he say about that word?
Ubugebengu buyenzani baba?
Ngisho khona ukuphambanisa izinto yabo uma uphambanisa izinto wenze things are wrong ushintsha into ebhaliwe ebhalwe kanjena ubhale into
I meant to say when you are changing things or swiping things by correcting the correct version of a statement,
Yes.
by implementing your own things on the statement.
Thank you, Mr. Zungu.
sorry futhi ngacela ukuthi ngoba sekuyilesikhathi lesignature le nale ilande endaweni thathwe endaweni engafani khona iFNB khona up osasa angenza khona izinto Home Affairs.
Yes.
And buye nje nawo la ngibona ukuthi azofana naleya.
My lord, I would also humbly request if the court can go and ask for signatures from Standard Bank, ABSA, SASA, Home Affairs, and then to go and ask for documents that they have my signatures there, so that those documents they can be brought before the court, and then from there, so they can do so the court can do a comparison between those signatures with the signature that is before the court.
So in other words, you're requesting this court to assist in obtaining specimen signatures from those places that you have just mentioned, for them to be compared with the signature that is appearing on the document that was prepared by Brigadier Kininda. Is that how I understand you?
Umele baba umbuzo ubuza ukuthi ngabe uqonda kahle yini uma ngabe uthi ucela ukuthi inkantolo ilekelele ilethe ama document kule ndawo osoyibalile noma osokhulumile ngazo abosasa Home Affairs, Standard Bank, FNB.
Yeah, Standard Bank sikancane kodwa FNB kakhulu.
Oh, my lord, can we not focus on the Standard Bank, but take our focus to the FNB? Because it is the one that I make use of. Umele wabuza ukuthi ufisa noma ucela ukuthi inkantolo ilekelele ngokuthi ilethe ama document kuleza ndawo soyibalile. FNB kwibhanka la FNB lasesasa lakho hola khona imali yakho eqolo.
Zonke izinto.
Bese baletha ama signature lawo ke bathele enkantolo. Bese baqhathanisa phakathi kwe signature lawo futhi nale khona ngale nkantolo. Ngabe lokho uzama ukusho?
Ngokuthi ngisho ngokuthi makukhona ongakhona.
Yes, my lord.
Lama signature. Akwenza lokho ongakhona.
My lord, I said that because of if there is anyone who does not believe me, they are free to do that, to bring the documents from the places in which I had mentioned before, and take those documents, bring them to the court, in order for the court to be able to make a comparison between those documents with the document that is already before the court.
Thank you, Mr. Zungu. You seem to have a clue of what should be happening in court. That is basically to prove beyond doubt
Uyabonga
that your
ummeli.
signature is not the one that is appearing on the document that Brigadier Gininda said you prepared. That's what you're basically saying.
Uyabonga ummeli futhi wena uyasho ukuthi lokho ukuveza ke ngokungayingabazi ukuthi signature le ekhona kule document ke elethuba ku Brigadier Gininda akuyona eyakho.
We will, the court has heard, we will wait for a comment from the court.
Uthi ke ummeli inkantolo
Which comment do you want, sir? Mr. Baloyi has already long conceded. Just stand up again and repeat that concession, because you are not listening. Repeat the concession about the handwritings.
Oh, yes, Malat, we said that we will argue differently
Yeah.
regarding those
But you said
Those
you-
signatures.
you can see that they are
yes.
not the same. They are different. Is that what you said? What did you say?
No. We said we'll argue differently.
Yeah,
said,
fine.
They said, according to them, the signatures are different.
Yeah.
We said we'll argue differently.
Okay, fine. He says he'll argue different. So I can't make a ruling now, anyway.
Thank you, my lord. The court asked me what comment
No, no,
am I expecting from the court.
no, Mr. Baloyi says he'll argue differently.
Thank you, my lord.
Yeah, that's what he says.
Thank you, my lord. Thank you, Mr. Zungu. Just excellent English. My lord, may I request just a brief indulgence so I confirm with my colleague something.
Mr. Ngumalo, do you have this act?
I've heard about,
Hello?
I know about this, brother.
Which one do you know about it?
The one dealing with court ethics.
Is it the amended one or which one?
I haven't seen the amended one.
Yeah, that's why. You must ask for the amended one.
I will, my lord, thank you.
Mr. Zungu,
Yebo.
now that you are saying the signature that is on the document that Brigadier Gininda presented here as at court as your statement, you flatly denying that that is your signature, and you, as you have been explaining, suspect that something illegal might have happened. How does that make you feel?
Ummeli ke baba mina uyabuza ukuthi malana nodaba lwestatement esalethwa ke uye umnumzana uBrigadier Gininda la khona ke signature ekhona la yena kumnumzana uBrigadier Gininda watshela inkantolo ukuthi uwe umuntu owasayinda kulesa statement manje wena ke ngabe lokho kukwenza ukuthi uzizwe kanjani ngoba uthe akuyona isignature yakho ekhona kuso le statement sakhe awasiletha umnumzana uBrigadier Gininda la inkantolo uthi ukhulumile inkulumo wajobelela kule nkulumo yakho wathi khona ke ukhwabanisa mhlawumbe umkhulumo owenzekile ngesikhathi kade umuntu efaka le signature ngoba awuwena akusiyona eyakho
Njengamanje akusho ngemanje lapho kuthini ngabona ubani lo lesignature ngekabani eyami ile akukho kunye ngizobuye ngibone
there is nothing
inkantolo efuneka
further
yazi.
that I will add besides saying that the signature which is attached on the statement that is before the court, that is not my signature. And the court can see the difference for itself.
I heard him saying, ngekabani le. Yes, and that has not been interpreted. na ngoba naye yami le ngekabani le. That's what he said.
Listen.
Unfortunately, Zulu is a common language between me and him. Yes.
My apologies, my lord, I
Thank
was
you.
not done interpreting. I wanted to confirm something with him before I interpret.
Yes.
Manje uthe le signature eyakho ilengala. Lengale awuyazi ukuthi kabani. Yes, my lord, my signature, it is attached, it appears on the ID smart card. And then the other one, I don't know who signed there. I don't know whose signature it is.
Thank you. Mr. Zungu, because an impression was created here at court by both your son, Constable Zungu, and Brigadier Kininda in their testimony throughout, that you are the source of the information relating to, or that they got the information relating to the complicity of accused number 1 and accused number 2, that is Sibia and Ntanzi, in the death of Senzo, the deceased in this case.
Umele uthi khona ke isithombe esadwetshwa ke la enkantolo sidwetshwa indodana yakho uZungu Sizwe Zungu futhi nomunye ufakazi wathi uBrigadier Gininda mayelana nesikhangiso nolwazi owalikhuluma wena ne wathi wena ke uyazi ukuthi umsola oqala futhi nowesibili ke badlala isikhangiso siphi ekushoneni kukaMufi uSenzo Meyo.
kwakusho ingane le.
Was that said by my son?
Yes, your son and Brigadier Kininda said
But indodana yakho futhi nomnumzana uBrigadier Gininda basho kokulandelayo lalela umeli
that you are the one who gave your son information that accused number 1, Muzi, Sibia, and accused number 2, Ntanzi, are complicit in the killing of Senzo.
but wena kwaletha ulwazi mayelana
Well, my lord, for reasons, but it's not correct.
Yeah, no.
But yeah, we leave it there, but that's not the evidence.
No, quote the correct evidence.
Yes, well, the evidence that this witness said he heard from Mbekiseni.
That's it.
Mbekiseni, who heard from the brother of
Yeah.
Ntanzi. So it's like triple hearsay.
Triple hearsay. That's how I heard the evidence.
ngaba kumshushisi uthi akuyona ke indlela ufakazi lobaba lethwa ngayo lenkantolo ngoba bathi wena kwezwa ngogwabeni futhi ugwabeni naye wezwa ngomfo kanto wakubontanze omunye akuyona indlela inkulumo eqhamuka ngami mhlambe yavezwa ngayo la enkantolo manje sime sinolumeli akhulume.
That is very interesting, my lord, that the state is now all of a sudden saying that is triple hearsay. If it is triple hearsay, what did they allow Brigadier Kininda to proceed with that triple hearsay?
No, please. It's me saying that.
Oh, that's the court?
Yes.
Okay,
I
thank you.
listen to the evidence.
And my lord, what counsel is saying is not correct.
No, quite.
From the outset, we've always said this witness evidence is triple hearsay evidence, and we are not going to call the witness. I can refer to the relevant portion, my lord. Yes, starting on the proceedings of 18 October 2024, page 36, line 7. The state said, my lord, we just requested the reference to what was said by Absalom Zungu be left out of account. And the court said, you are saying the reference to what was said by? We said, then we responded at line 10, reference as to what would have been mentioned by Absalom Zungu be left out of account as he has not been called as a witness. Then there is also another portion.
Yeah, Yeah, but that's irrelevant for this court.
Yes.
The fact that the state prefers not to call Mr. Zungu Senior as a witness,
Yes, but
he's giving evidence in court now.
yes, but council is saying we let Brigadier Gininda on that, and we just wish to correct council that is not borne by the record. Also, on 20 May 2025, line 10, we say the following: as the court pleases, the court will recall that at the inception of the evidence of Brigadier Gininda, we were at pains to avoid this hearsay evidence, that is now the evidence of Mr. Absalom Zungu. In fact, if I recall, the evidence of Brigadier Gininda was to the effect that he received a report from Mr. Absalom Zungu, because as court officials, we are aware that we may not lead hearsay evidence. And just towards the end of the page, we say the defense must therefore, my lord, we said there is a defense that introduced the evidence, and on page 11, we said the defense must lie on the bed that they've made since they've introduced the evidence. We said it cannot be retracted, it is on record, and that it must remain on record. And we said that the statement is already admitted, despite the fact that, as Advocate Munisi pointed out, it's triple hearsay evidence. And we say that is why we did not call Mr. Zungu Senior to testify, as his evidence, according to Exhibit GU, amounts to triple hearsay evidence.
Thank you, my lord. Mr. Zungu, I've got no further, what is it now? Examine chief, I've got no further question to you. Thank you.
Uyabonga ke ummeli Baba uZungu ukuthi akasenayo ke imibuzo angakubuzayo.
Nganginika mina ithuba lokukhona engenelisekile ngakho
My lord,
la kulokho kade kwenziwe njenge-statement.
may I be allowed to, no, may I be given an opportunity if there is something that the court is not satisfied about pertaining or no from the statements?
I can't, I'm just to listen to the evidence, but I can't tell you what to say, and how to say it, and when to say it.
Ithi inkantolo nje okwayo ukuthi ibe lana ke ilaleleke ufakazi obethulayo futhi ngeke ijudge kwamele ukuthi uthula ufakazi bakho kanjani futhi ngasiphi isikhathi noma kumele usho ini futhi ungasho ini.
Bengikhalisa ukuthi la lesi statement sikaGininda ama-ke bengakangivumeli, bengikhalisa ukuthi khona okuthile la, khona abantu abasele la uGininda akhulume ngabo la enkantolo mayifakazi.
My lord, I would like to speak nor comment about the statement that Mr. Gininda has brought before the court. Because of on the statement, there are people whom he did not mention, and I do have I'm not satisfied with that. So here's a dissatisfaction. Kuma baba?
Ikholoko bengifuna ukusho sengakusho.
That is what I wanted to inform the court. Can I elaborate further?
So you want to talk about people who Gininda did not mention?
Ngabe ufuna ukukhuluma ngabantu uGininda angakhulumile ngabo ngaphakathi kwestatement sakho.
Akakhulumile ngabo kodwa wakhuluma la enkantolo.
He did not make reference to the names of the people on the statement, though he made mention or reference of the names of the people here in court.
I thought Gininda is a liar, according to you,
But inkantolo ithi beyicabanga ukuthi
because you never told him anything.
inkantolo uthi becabanga ukuthi uGininda ke umuntu uqambe amanga mayelana nolwazi lwakho ngoba wena akunalutho owamtshela lona.
As I understood you, Kenida just wrote what you never told him.
Ngoba ithi inkantolo uGininda wabhala yonke into ebhalile la kepha akakaze ayithole kuwe mathupha.
Ngiyavuma akazange ayithole kini.
Yes, I do agree. I do admit that he did not get this information from me. However, baba,
Engifuna singa lokho siyekudeni kangaka ukuthi ubuzwe ngilalele enkantolo wabuzwa ngabameli ukuthi wawunobani ngesikhathi ufungisa uZungu wena.
my lord, I heard him when he was giving his testimony here in court, and then when the counsels on behalf of the defense, the counsel on behalf of the accused, when they asked him as to who was in a company of Mr. Gininda when Mr. Zungu was taking an oath.
Ngifuna labantu ngifuna manje ukubuka shoot angibaboni la kodwa la uGininda wafunga wathi laba bantu ebenobani efungisa mina.
My lord, I say this because of the following reasons. I don't see the names being mentioned on the statement. Although I heard him when he was giving his testimony here in court, making a reference of the names of the people whom he was with during the time he said that he was with me during the taking down of an oath.
I can assist you there. Your counsel, who called you as a witness, he can assist you. I can't.
Ithi inkantolo ngeke ikwazi ukukusiza ke kulolu daba ke kepha ke ummeli okubizile ukuthi uzothula ufakazi bakho ke uye kuphela ongakhona ukukusiza kuleyo mbiko lo noma kulolu daba lo.
Okunye nje bengisho njengalo ubhale ukuthi la wayekhona khulunywa lokho ambhalile la kodwa akana signature akho lutho la sign khona phela wayekhona.
Cela uphindele baba
Khona
ngisize.
iphoyisa ngazi iphoyisa elibhalwe la ukuthi uGininda wayenalo libhaliwe la
My
kodwa
lord,
isignature la yikho.
there is a police officer who is being mentioned here on this statement that Mr. Gininda, he was in a company of that police officer. However, I don't see a signature of such a police officer on this statement.
Yes, the court says it's only me that can assist you. That police officer that you're referring to, Gininda says, when you made this statement he was with is Mohane.
Manje lo phoyisa kokhuluma ngalo baba umnumzana uBrigadier Gininda ngesikhathi athi beka nawe bekaneliphoyisa leli abathi ke uMukhane sibongo salo. Yes.
Hayi sengiza konye sidlule kunye ba sengichazile iphoyisa neyachaza ngimhala ngimazi kodwa noma kuthiwa uthi wayenaye kukhona mina kukhona iphoyisa manje ke asilokhu zeka vese asiqhubekene angisho ukuthi ngiphikisa inkani ngalokho.
Let us just proceed. I'm not saying that I'm disputing, no, I'm against what the court has said. However, I don't even know that Mukhane or Mukhane. I have never saw that person.
Okay.
Yes, thank you, Mrs. Zungu. It has been noted that the document, irrespective of whoever introduced it, who introduced it is immaterial, but the content of the document that was introduced by whoever, you distancing it yourself from the content thereof, not so.
Uthumeli okay khona ke udaba lo statement kepha statement uyasinqaba ukuthi ke unolwazi ngalo futhi wena uthi akusona statement waphana ngaso futhi akuyona umuntu wasayina kusona uyayikhipha kule statement ngamanye amagama.
Hayi ngikhiphile mfuna ngikhiphile eqaleni bese
I
ngithi
did.
ngicela ukuthi hayi
I did
singaqhubeka ngoba
distance myself from the beginning. However, I would like us to proceed.
Yes.
Yebo ke bengicela ukuthi oba ngiqhubeke ningidedele ngiqhubeke nokunye ke bengisafisa ungazange kukhulume.
My apologies, my lord. Khona okunye ongakhulumile manje ongafisa ukutshela inkantolo.
Yebo.
My lord, there is something that I did not get an opportunity to tell the court before, which I would like to inform the court about it now.
Before we proceed to that, you do not only distance yourself from the content of this document through what is contained in here, but also by virtue of the fact that you saying the signatures that are appearing in this document are not yours.
Uthumele ngaphandle kokuthi wena ke uyikhiphe kule statement lesi futhi nakwinkulumo ebhaliwe kuso le statement. Futhi uyaphinda uyanqaba ukuthi umuntu osayindile kule statement akuwena umuntu osayinda kusela akhe signature yakho.
Oh, ngiyakuzwa njengamanje bengicela ukuthi ngibeke ngoba bekungade lokho engibeka ngithi bengibeka kube half khona engakubeka ngiyabona.
My lord.
Bengicela lokho ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngithi ukubeka okuyikhona okunye okukhulu kakhulu okungisuse ekhaya ngoba ngihambe ngilale emagarage nje na 4 weeks ngila bengifuna ukuthi ke ngikwazi ukubeka enkantolo inkantolo kezi ukuthi ngikhala ngani.
My lord, as I am standing here before the court, I did not say all what I wanted to say before the court. I only made portions. However, I did not say things in fully. And I have 4 weeks since I have left at home, and I have been sleeping by the garage. And now that I'm here, I would like to tell the court the main, nor the core reason as to why I am here, nor the core reason as to why I had to leave my homestead and come to the court.
Yes, you may proceed.
Ungakhuluma ke ba?
Ngikhala kanje. Kuthe maqala icourt lo kuqala ukuqulwa kwecala.
When this matter started,
Wathothi iqala liyaqulwa liyaqalisa angibiziwe mina ngitsheniwe akho ncwadi engitholile vela ku state.
when this matter started to be heard before the court, I did not get any letter from the state informing me that I should be, no, alerting me that I should be aware of the matter, or no, maybe I should come to the court.
Kanti ecourt iqale ngegama lami kufakwe igama lami phakathi.
Even though during the start of this trial, my name has been on the center core of this matter.
Yes.
Manje ngifuna ukuzwa ke ngoba ngila ngisho ngithi nje ngihambe ngihluphekela lokho ukuthi kube khona la eSouth Africa kuvulwe igama.
Now that
sorry ngiqedele ko.
ngisabuthi ukukhuluma eningi bese ngakhuluma khona ayishela baba yazi
Ukuthi phela kuhlupheka sijayela ukukhuluma sisheshise sibeke ko.
ngicela ubekezeleke mnumzane. My lord, I have been struggling quite a lot and with a lot of things. Now that my name have been brought up here in court, now that I would like to find out whether is there a way here in South Africa ngabe khona ke yini indlela eningizimu Afrika ongathola ngayo ini?
Ngithi kuke kwenzeke yini konke nendawo nje ezinye mawunecala ungabizwa mawuphatha ngekuphathwa igama lakho phakathi. Icala elilala livulwe ngegama lami.
Now, okay, my lord, I would like to ask from the court whether is it doable, or maybe is it a way of doing things here in South Africa if maybe a person gets to be mentioned in a criminal matter or in a case before the court, and however the same person whose name gets to be mentioned does not get to be called. Because of this matter started, during the start of this matter, my name has been on the center of this matter.
Kodwa kuthe ngelanga icala qala ngazi ukuthi mina kwafanti la msukwana angibabengelela imantshi kwasenqonye ilanga lecala okufanele bazoqala sizoqala ngalo-ke ilanga kodwa ngabe bikho mina engibalwa njengoba engibhaliwe nje kuthiwa ngufakazi ngikwaleli icala.
My Lord, now that they first appeared before the court and then from there they greeted the magistrate or the presiding officer, then from there their matter was then remanded for a further date of the hearing of the matter. And then during the first hearing of the matter, how is it possible that I was not called nor invited because of my name has been mentioned on this matter and also on the statements?
Mina ngangazi ukuthi-ke ngizofakaza ngoba kukhulunywa ngegama lami la.
Awungazi?
Ngangazi ukuthi ngizobizwa ngizofakaza ngoba icala leli livulwe ngegama lami.
And I did not know that I will be called to come and testify here in court, even though this case was opened under my name, no, with a reference of my name.
No, he's saying ngangazi. I knew. Ngangazi.
Eh.
Not I did not know.
My apologies, my Lord.
Eh.
Awungazi.
No, ngangazi.
Ngangazi.
Yes, he
I
knew.
knew.
He knew. I knew.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Kodwa kuthe mzukwana liqulwa leli cala liqala. Kwangena azange ngingekho mina. Kwase ngena eboxini. Ubani lona wangenisa eboxini kanti icala libhalwe ngami.
Now that this matter was called and heard before the court, there is who was then called to come and testify at first before I got to be called, even though my name has been mentioned and even though my name has been on the center of this case.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Zungu. Those are questions that the court is still trying to find out by virtue of the exercising that we are engaging in now. Those are the questions that ultimately the court will have to determine and make a pronunciation on as to now, because this case, as you're saying, the person under whose name this case was opened or the source of the person who came with this information was not called. This is my finding and all those things. We are on our way towards that process now. It's premature for the court now to make that finding. Do you understand?
Uthi ummeli ke mnumzana isinqumo leso mhlawumbe noma ke umuntu ozoveza ke isinqumo egcinini malana nodaba lolu oqeda uliveza nawe la manje inkantolo futhi kusase early ukuthi sisheshe sifike kulolu daba lolo ke ngoba ke inkantolo nayo izohlala phansi ithi icabange futhi icabangisise kahle ukuthi manje ke izosebenza kanjani ke ngalolu daba lolu ngoba khona ke umbiko futhi negama lakho elikhona nohlamba umuntu ebathi uye owaletha umbiko.
Those are genuine concern, but the court is having that in his notes and at the back of his mind that on the day on which he delivers judgment in this court, he will factor that concern that you have in his judgment.
Uthi kumele uma ngabe inkantolo seyifika emaphethelweni ecala uma seyiletha ke isinqumo sayo kuleli cala leli lo zonkana ikhalazo zakho lezi qedwe ukhala ngazo manje izozicabanga futhi ke bese kubike ngemuva komcabango wayo ikukhumbule uma seyiletha ke isinqumo sayo inkantolo kuleli cala.
I don't know if you follow what is happening, if you're following what is being interpreted to you.
Uyazwisisa baba?
Ngiyazwisisa ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi uthini.
I do hear you.
Kodwa nje oba ngisho ukuthi into engiphethe kabi le.
Yebo.
Ngisengibe la nje.
Yebo.
Kakhulu yikho lokho
Yeah.
okwazi ukuthi ugenele umbhalile nako.
Yeah.
Wahamba ovula icala ngami.
Yeah.
Yabo ebesho ngisho la enkantolo ethi ngoba nalaba ngibabophile nje ngibabophe ngoba ngezwe ngozungu.
Yes.
My Lord,
Kodwa ka angisababikho enkantolo.
my Lord, this does not sit well with me. Now that Mr. Kininda came before the court and informed the court that after he had spoken with me, that is when he made those arrests. And now that he made mention of my name, and now that he also told the court that he had received some of the source from me,
Yes.
then how does it come about that I was not called to come and give a testimony before the court.
Yeah.
So that is
Babu
what does not sit well
Yeah.
with me.
Yingako ke sikubizile thina singabameli bababoshwa ukuthi uze nawe uzokhuluma okwaziyo ngaleli qala ukuthi lokho okushiwo ngawe kuyiqiniso noma akulona iqiniso na. Yingako ke namuhla uzile wazoyibeka inkulumo njengoba uyibekile ngisho.
Cha ngiyeza.
Yeah.
Angithi
Kodwa ke loyo mbuzo ukuthi kungani uGininda avula iqala ngawe jikijiki abasakubizi umbuzo loyo inkantolo nayo ezozibuza wona ekuzofuneka ukuthi uma seyikhipha isinqumo jikelele mayelana naleqala lokuthi labafana obathola abaneqala noma abathola abangenaqala inkantolo izoyiveza ingxoxo mayelana nalombuzo lo obuzako siyazwisisa kodwa manje kusesesekuseni kakhulu ukuthi lo mbuzo lo ungaphendulwa kusho ukuthi sesesendleleni eya ekuphenduleni loyo mbuzo uyayiqonda mos.
angiyazwa angibhekise ikhonje bengikhala ngalokho ukuthi
Okay siyabonga.
angifuna ukuyiveza lento
Yeah.
bengiphethe kabaze ngubone lokho ngakhula ngizeme nganje
Eh.
akaze ngibone kuthiwa inkantolo kuvulwa igama ngenkantolo kuvulwa icala ngawe
Yeah.
uyajika lapha awubizwe ngisho noma uhleli phesheya kwey'lwandle uyalinda ulando lethu la manje-ke ngizothi-ke mina ngathi nje uma ubuze kuyiqiniso kangakanani nje lokho okubhalwe uGinini kungani ukuthi akubhale bengabe sangibize ecaleni ilokho
Yingako babo uZungu siye sakubona
angiyazi
kukuhle
ngiyolalela umthetho wenkantolo
siye sakubona
noma ngabe ngihlubuke kangakanani
yingako ngithi mina siye sakubona kukuhle emehlweni womthetho hayi emehlweni wethu emehlweni womthetho ukuthi sikubize uzochaza okwaziko ngaloku okuqukethwe okubhalwe kule statement ekuthiwa uGininda wasithatha kuwe istatement okuthiwa senziwa uwe wena enkantolo othi awazana le statement sekusemandleni ke enkantolo ukuthi yona iyothini mayelana ngobufakazi bakho nobufakazi buka Gininda.
banwa yebo-ke impela ngiyazi ubani-ke kufuna lokho impela kuvele nalo wangena ebhokisini sho phela wangena ebhokisini noba igama livulwe ngami wakhuluma ngale statement ubani
Yeah.
yilokho-ke sengihloniphe inkantolo benguveza
Thank you, Mr. Zungu. There are processes here at court, Mr. Zungu. After I've said I no longer have a question for you, my colleagues will then have to stand up and they will indicate whether they have a question for you or what, something that they want to clarify on behalf of the accused that you are representing here. Then thereafter the state will stand up and ask you certain questions. You understand? That is how things are done here at court.
Baba ummeli uyakutshela ke ngendlela ekusetshenzwa ngayo lana ke enkantolo. Uma ummeli ethi yena ke akasenayo imibuzo noma siyaqedile ukubuza ke imibuzo mayelana nofakazi kade ubethula la enkantolo. Yezwa ke baba. Manje kuhlelo ojwalo ekuvame ukuthi lusetshenziswe la enkantolo. Abameli abanye abasolo. Uma kukhona ke into abafisa ukuthi bakubuze bazophakama ke nabo baba yezwa bese bakubuze ngenhloso baqonde mayelana nento mhlawumbe kade bengayizwisisi kahle equka khona ke abanye abasolo ababamele la enkantolo bese ke ngemuva ukuthi abameli beqedile bese kuphakama ke ihlangothi lezombuso abashushisike bese baqala ke eqaleni la kuqala khona ukuthula ufakazi bakho bese bakubuza ke imibuzo nayo.
Then if the state is done, if the court has got some questions to clarify or issues to clarify with you, the court can pose those clarification questions to you.
Uthi ummeli uyajobelela ne uma abathushisi sebaqedile ukubuza ke imibuzo nabo ne bese ke inkantolo bangabe kukhona mhlawumbe okuthize mhlawumbe okuthile enkantolo engakuqondile kahle noma engakazi kuthole kahle noma engakutholile kahle kulombiko noma ukufakazi bakho kade kubethula nayo ke uthi mhlawumbe iyothi ibuye ke ibuze ke imibuzo uma ngabe kukhona engakaze inkantolo iqonde kahle mayelana nenkulumo yakho ikhulume ngaphansi kwesifungo.
Do you understand?
Yazwisisa baba?
Yes.
I do understand.
Now this is an opportunity that we should afford, or that the court should afford to my colleagues here to stand up if they've got any issues to clarify with you on behalf of their accused to embark on that process. But I'm not so sure whether we will start with that. I realize it's already 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm not so sure whether I can approach the court and request the court that we should adjourn for Monday so that when we start on a fresh note.
uthumeli uzoza kwinkantolo uthi inkantolo mhlawumbe iyavuma yini ukuthi ke abameli baphakame bakubuzeke imibuzo ngoba uma sekabheka isikhathi ke manje sekushaya ke ihora lesithathu emini futhi ucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe kungakuhleke uma singaze sibuye kulesonto lezayo noma uzocela inkantolo ukuthi isivumele ukuthi sibuye kulesonto lezayo ngomsombuluko sibe futhi imicabanga ukuthi seyi-right isesimeni nje kahle futhi nemo yethu nje i-right isesimeni esikahle esaqhubeka futhi nohlelo lokulalela icala mhlawumbe ukuthula kofakazi bakho lenkantolo.
Thank you, Madam.
Yes, sir.
I do understand.
Okay, what's the time now?
9 minutes past 3, my lord.
What's,
9 minutes past 3.
okay. Any questions, Mr. Sipili?
Questions for Mr. Zungu, but I'd suggest, my lord, that we start on Monday morning. We adjourn today, my lord. Is the court
Okay,
pleases?
fine. Mr.
Umeli
Umama.
umnumzana
My lord, I won't object to the request. Thank you.
umeli ke baba umele ke umnumzana umfokantanzi uyasho khona amazwi unayo ke imibuzo anayo angafisa ukuthi akubuze yona kepha ngembangela isikhathi noma ngenxa yesikhathi ukuthi isikhathi sesihambile sekushaya ihora lesithathu uyaqethi sihlehlise uhlelo lwethu lanamuhla lenkantolo isesiyabeke ngomsombuluko aqala akubuze imibuzo ngomsombuluko.
Hayi anginayo inkinga noma ngendlela engiyo khona ngoba
I
ngiyazi
have no
ngivukela
objection.
Mr. Balui, we adjourn.
As a court, please, we are in the hands of the next legal representative who must ask questions.
Okay, fine.
He has requested an agenda.
Yeah, okay.
Futhi umshushisi naye uthi akanayo inkinga ukuthi sihlehlise-ke uhlelo lwethu lwanamuhla lokulalela ke icala ngoba ke ummeli uye ocela ukuthi icethe sihlehlise sibeke ngomsombuluko wesonto elizayo.
Okay, thanks. Uzokona umvulo.
Uzofuna ngomsombuluko.
Noma uye ekhaya.
ngizozama ngizoya ekhaya ngizozama ngoba ngimisela ukuthi ngibe la
Angeva skut?
ngithi ngizozama ukuba la
Ufanele ube la.
ngizozama ngoba vese ngiyimisela oba ngile uba lo ngidele ekhaya nje
Nasimi ngisho njalo umthetho.
manje ngihloniphene nenkantolo ukuthi oba kusasa engangibuza ukuthi wawuhlaleleni ungakhuluma ungezuzo
Ngiyakuzwa. Okay, can we adjourn then Monday?